Check this place out. Deer Lodge. Cool old place. There's my hotel, the Deer Lodge. Nice spot, although my room was a bit of a piece of crap, but nonetheless, got a good night's sleep. She's frozen this morning. It was at least -6 overnight. I'm glad I did not sleep in it again. So we're gonna head down to Lake Louise and see what the sights are like. Made it to Lake Louise. Well, the wealth of beauty is undeniable in the Rocky Mountains, and this is Lake Louise. Obviously, it's a major tourist attraction, so at times I'm sure there's thousands of people here, but we're in October, and yes, it's cold. It's -6 right now. There's snow on the ground. There should be. Look at that. Famous place, and more beautiful than I would have imagined, and smaller. The lake is quite small. Yeah, so this is the chateau in Lake Louise. So we're gonna go onward. I'm glad I saw this. It's absolutely beautiful, and the mountains are now revealing themselves as the fog moves on, and the camera doesn't do it justice, but look at that. Come on, people. If you haven't come here, this is Canada, man. The only problem is there's no Tim Hortons here, and I need one of them now. All the way from home, right on Lake Louise. Nice cabin, too bad it's not used. It says here, last Swiss guide slept here 1954. And Lake Louise is right there. You can't see the mountain, but it's right there. So my trip out west is coming to an end. I've got some time to burn here in Calgary. I'm near the airport, checking my hotel in a couple hours. So I decided I'm going to visit the Hangar Flight Museum. I think it's really cool, and there's hardly anyone here, so let's check it out. The Hangar Flight Museum is located just south of the Calgary International Airport. So if you've got an extra hour or two before your flight, why not stop into the Hangar Flight Museum? It's only $15 per adult, and there's specials for youth and for seniors. It's an amazing way to spend an hour to come see these awesome jets and planes up close and in person. So the building was built in 1941, and it was the drill hall for the 37 Secondary Flight Training School. The museum features a wide variety of civilian and military aircraft, spanning the entire century of the Canadian flight history. The museum also contains exhibits, uniforms, scale models, special events, over 20 aircraft, and allows guests to experience the history of Western Canadian aviation up close. But not only Western Canadian, some of these planes have been all over the world, have seen military action, and all different types of action in the north of Canada and elsewhere. Come check it out. It's worth the $15. Arriving in New Brunswick, it's so awesome to see these beautiful trees changing their colors. I did have an amazing adventure out west. Until the next time, thanks so much for watching, and hit that subscribe button.